C'est ok, STDK.
Run teams on the
Mr. Skills on the mission, BBC and television. I did. Fake pussy, fantasy, pour kerosene on.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be on how I was able to apply this wig. I'll be using the bald cap method, and I didn't use the got to be glue gel to apply this wig. I just wanted something that is easier, something that because I'm trying to grow my edges back, so I don't want anything that will take off my edges at all. So I decided to use the spray to do this bald method. This method can be quite challenging, but I believe with practice you definitely get better. The wig I'll be using to do this style is from Hairvivi Hair Company. I'm going to put all the specs in the description box below, and I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this video. Now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, like I said earlier on, the hair came from Hairvivi Hair Company. I'm going to show you guys what the packaging looks like. So this is what the wig looks like. It's a body wave texture and it's really soft. And as you guys can see that the knot of the wig is already bleached. So I just curled my hair all to the back. Before wearing my stocking cap, I'm going to go ahead and spray my got to be glued spray. Then after that, I'm going to place the stockings cap and then spray the got to be glue spray again. Then I'm going to dry it with my hair dryer. You have to make sure that it's very dry. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the part in front. You have to be very careful when cutting this, or else you're going to cut your skin. So now I'm going to go ahead and spray the face spray again. And then I'm going to dry it. After that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation. You can use your powder if you want. So now I want to apply my wig. I'm first of all going to apply the face spray again and dry it. And then I'm going to lay my wig on it. After that, I'm going to go ahead and dry it with my blow dryer. So right here, I'm just cutting out the spare lace in front of the wig. Then I'm just going in with my powder. Now I'm gonna go ahead and create my baby hair. This is totally optional. And if you want, you can make your baby hair to be shorter. But I just like the way I did this one. I'll be using my hair jam.
Pack up your perfume and all
all your clothes, take back the TV. It's time to go now. We're moving out of town, town.
So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and tie a scarf, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. So after doing my makeup, I took off the scarf, and this is what it looks like. I really like the way it looks. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my heat protectant.
We're driving state to state until you forgive me, baby. We're rolling down this freeway. We left the past behind us, and up ahead I see California. By the time we get there, maybe you forgive me.
So I'm just using my hot comb to comb it out a little bit to give it a more sleek look. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cornrow the front. I'm just going to try this style on it. You guys can see that this hair is very beautiful, looking very cute. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I remove this wig. It's very important for you to know that you just use water. Like, you need to make sure that you damp your hair with water before taking off the lace wig, or else you're going to take off your edges. As you guys know, I'm trying to grow my edges, so I'm being very careful here. So I'm just spraying the water. I'm going to spray it and make sure it's damp. Then I'll just take off the stocking cap. And that way my edges are intact. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye. So from what I can see from the camera, it actually looks a bit yellowish. What do you guys think?